Last year, you had a chapter called as quadratic equations. See, quadratic equation, you know that the general form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And I'm very sure that you also remember the formula. The formula was minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now, see, back then in the last year, when you studied quadratic equations, whenever you had the discriminant value less than 0, we said that there is no real root. Now that you know what are complex or imaginary numbers, we can solve few problems based on that. Okay, now look at these problems. So there are 5 problems. Let's solve each and every one of them. Now, if you want, you guys can actually pause the video, finish these sums and cross check the answer. Let's start with the first one. So the first one, you have x square plus 3x plus 9 is equal to 0. You can write the ABC value. A value is 1, B value is 3, C value is 9. Now let's do B square minus 4AC. So you have x is equal to minus B plus or minus root of B square minus 4AC whole divided by 2a. This is the formula. So x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus root of 3 square minus 4 into 1 into 9 divided by 2 into 1. Minus 3 plus or minus root of 9 minus 36 whole divided by 2. Now 9 minus 36, so you know the discriminant is a negative value. That means we are going to get complex roots or imaginary roots also you can call it. Okay. So this is going to become minus 3 plus or minus root of minus 27 divided by 2, which you can call it as minus 3 plus or minus, see, root 27 is 3 root 3 and root of minus 1 is what? I. So plus or minus I into 3 root 3 divided by 2. This is going to be the answer. This is going to be the answer for the given question, the first question. Minus 3 plus or minus I into 3 root 3 divided by 2. This is the answer. Now, same way, let's try to do the second one. Look at the second question. Second one, the question is x square minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. Again, use the same thing. A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 1, C is equal to 2. So what we have, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a, or 1 plus or minus root of, see, minus 1 square, which is 1 itself, 1 minus 4 into 1 into 2 by 2. 2 into 1 is 2. 1 plus or minus root of 1 minus 8 by 2. 1 plus or minus root of minus 7 by 2, which is 1 plus or minus I into root 7 divided by 2. This becomes the answer for the second question. Okay, let's do the next one. See the third one. The third question, root 2 x square plus x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Again, a value is root 2, b value is 1, c value is again root 2. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So what we get here, x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 square is 1 minus 4 into root 2 into root 2 whole divided by 2 root 2. Make sense? So minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 minus 4 into 2 is 8 divided by 2 root 2. Again, you are going to get minus 1 plus or minus root of minus 7 divided by 2 root 2, or x value is minus 1 plus or minus I into root 7 divided by 2 root 2. This is the value, or this is the answer for the third question. Alright, I hope you guys are cross-checking whatever you have solved, whatever you have not solved, either one of them. You guys have to get the same answer, and you guys can cross-check whether you have done it correctly or not. Okay, let's solve the last two questions here. See the fourth one? Fourth one is x square plus x plus 1 by root 2 is equal to 0. Again, use the same formula. A value is 1, B value is 1, C value is 1 by root 2. So, x value minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 minus 4 into 1 into 1 by root 2 whole divided by 1. Sorry, 2a, 1 into 2 or 2 into 1, doesn't make any difference. Minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 minus, see 4 by root 2, correct? So take the value of 4, make it as 2 into 2, 2 into 2 divided by root 2 whole over 2. Okay, so in this case what we can do, this root 2, you can make this as root 2. Change the value. That means you get minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 minus 2 root 2 whole divided by 2. Okay, now 1 minus 2 root 2, you can take the root 2 value as 1.41. Okay, so minus 1 plus or minus 1 minus 2 into 1.41, which is 2.82. 2.82 divided by 2. So this value becomes minus 1 plus or minus root of minus 1.82 divided by 2, or minus 1 plus or minus I into root of 1.82 divided by 2. This becomes the value for the fourth one. See, this is one way of solving. There is one more way. See, in the question itself, multiply the whole equation by root 2. Okay, multiply the whole equation. So the whole equation changes to root 2x square plus root 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. See the fifth one? X square plus x by root 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. See, in this one, I'll show you the method where we take the LCM and solve this one. Multiply the whole equation by root 2, both LHS and RHS. It's as good as saying taking the LCM and transposing. So we'll get the value root 2 x square plus x plus root 2 is equal to 0. So a value is root 2, b value is 1, c value is root 2. Alright, and you know the value of x minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole over 2a. So minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 square is 1, minus 4 into root 2 into root 2 whole divided by 2 root 2. Fair enough? So minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 minus 4 into 2 is 8 divided by 2 root 2. So you get x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root minus 7 divided by 2 root 2. Or you can write the value of x as minus 1 plus or minus I into root 7 divided by 2 root 2. This is the value what we have for the roots of the equation. Now that you have seen how these 5 quadratic equations can be solved, and also you will get the value of the roots, whether it is real or it is an unreal root. Understood? Now, whatever you have learned so far, it's all about complex numbers and how we use complex numbers in solving quadratic equations.